Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Marketing. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2013 Utility 48 by 102 aluminum combo air ride with a universal mounting kit. Folks, this is a beautiful unit, aluminum headache rack with chain hookup on the back. Folks, this is a beautiful unit, has been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. As you can see, the beams are in excellent condition. As we rotate around, you can see the kingpin plate, nice and flat in great condition. All the gears on the landing gear have been checked and certified and ready to come back to work for you. Folks, we get to the back on a 225 refurb steel rim, air ride suspension. The back four are brand new recaps. The front are re-grooved 225s in excellent condition. Brake condition is 90% drum and brake. As we get to the back, folks, this unit is a universal mounting kit. We'll carry a Moffett, a Princeton, many other brands. You can see that deck condition is in great condition. 4 rows of wood nail strip. As we rotate around here, you can see a Moffett in the background. You can take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can see all the forklifts that we have available, Moffetts and Princetons, to make a package deal. Whether it's a truck or a trailer, a Moffett or a Princeton, we have them. We can make combinations for you. As we come back to the driver's side, this unit did have a brand new air tank put in it. Everything's been checked, plumbing's been checked, it's in phenomenal condition. All of our trucks and trailers do get brand new straps. This particular unit does have a brand new buyer's toolbox located on the driver's side. Folks, this is Equipment Remarketing. I want to thank you for your time. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.